Hello friends, now we shall see the characteristics of gradually varied flow surface profiles in adverse slope. Now what you have to remember is that in the case of adverse slope, the slope angle or slope value is negative. In the case of mild slope, steep slope and critical slope, the slope value was positive. In the case of horizontal channels, the slope value was 0. Slope value was 0. But in the case of adverse slope, the slope value will be negative. That is something that you have to remember. And similar to horizontal channels, NDL line will be at infinity or NDL line will be imaginary. The CDL line will be present, but NDL will be normal depth line will be imaginary or it will be at infinity. You can consider that it is imaginary. Now in order to find out the characteristics of surface profile, we shall use the equation S0 minus n square v square by y raised to 4 by 3 by 1 minus yc by y the whole cube. This equation is same as that of dy by dx is equal to S0 minus sf by 1 minus q square t by ga cube. This is the same equation. Okay. Now let us write the condition and we shall start finding out the characteristics of the surface profile. Now here our profile will be at zone 2. There won't be any zone 1 since NDL line is imaginary. There won't be any zone 1. There will be only zone 2 and zone 3. Now let us see the adverse slope condition. Adverse slope, we shall use the black line. Okay. This will be y. So the condition will be y greater than yc. Y greater than yc. Y greater than yc. Since y is greater than yc, we can say that this part, the denominator part will be positive. Y greater than yc, this part will be a value less than 1. 1 minus a value less than 1 will be positive. Yeah, there is a cube part. There is no that cube is not going to make much difference in the final result. Yc by y, since y is greater than yc, this will be a smaller value, positive smaller value, cubed, further smaller value, and 1 minus a value less than 1, that will be a positive value. Now if you look over here, S0 will be negative value because for an adverse slope, the slope value will be negative. So negative minus another value will be a larger negative number. So we can say that dy by dx will be negative. So, or A2 profile is falling profile. Is falling. A2 profile is falling. Now coming over to the upstream downstream conditions. Upstream downstream conditions. At upstream side, we can say y tends to infinity. Since NDL is an imaginary line, or it is at, you can consider it is at infinity, y is moving towards infinity. Y tends to infinity, and at downstream side, y tends to yc. We know that when y tends to yc, y tends to infinity, dy by dx is equal to S0, and when y tends to yc, dy by dx is infinity. We have seen these conditions number of times, even in the case of horizontal slope and all other slopes, I mean steep slopes and mild slopes, we have seen this condition. So when y is equal to infinity, y tends to infinity, dy by dx is S0, when y tends to ic, it's infinity. So we can say that A2 profile is a rising profile sorry, A2 profile is a falling profile. Sorry, A2 profile is a falling profile. Horizontal at upstream side and meets CDL line normally at downstream side. At downstream side. This is the case. Horizontal at upstream side and meet CDL line downstream. Now we shall see the A3 profile. This is the CDL line and the NDL line will be at infinity, or NDL line will be imaginary. Yn will be imaginary value. So this will be our surface profile, and this will be zone 3, this will be zone 2, zone 1 will be an imaginary zone. So our condition is yc greater than y, yc is greater than y. Applying this over our equation, we can say that since yc is greater than y, this will be a value greater than 1. We are making the third power of that value, and 1 minus that value will probably be negative. Okay, 1 minus a value higher than 1. Yc is greater than y, yc is greater than y. So yc by y will be a value greater than 1. We are making the cube. So negative, and coming towards the numerator, S0 minus n square v square by y raised to 4 by 3. N is the Manning's coefficient, v is velocity, y is depth of flow. All these values will be positive, but here we have a negative value, and also the S0 bed slope value is negative. Since adverse slope is having a slope value less than 0, negative value, so this will be negative. So numerator will be a negative value. So negative minus n square v square by y raised to 4 by 3 will be a negative, and negative together will be a positive value. So we can say that A3 profile is rising profile. A3 profile is a rising profile. Now coming towards the upstream downstream characteristics. Upstream downstream characteristics. We can say that at the upstream side, y tends to 0, and at this is at upstream, and at downstream side, y tends to yc. When y tends to 0, dy by dx is infinity, and when y tends to yc also, dy by dx is infinity. We have seen these two conditions while addressing the surface profiles of mild slope channel and steep slope channel. So we can say that A3 profile is a rising profile, and it meets the CDL line and channel bottom normally. Meets CDL and channel bottom normally. So that's all about A3.